Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Noran here with another writer's workshop informational writing lesson. So this week we've been talking about informational writing. Remember, informational writing means we're going to write about things that are true, real true things, facts. So we have done people, we have done places. Today we're going to do things. So I want you to think about all the things you know a lot about, real things that you know a lot about. What are some things you could write about that you know a lot about that are real, true things? So I'm going to put some of the things that I know a lot about that are real, true things that I could write for information. I know a lot about shopping because I like to shop. So I could tell you real true things about shopping. I could tell you real true things about makeup. I could tell you real true things about healthy choices, like healthy foods, and healthy things for your skin, and healthy exercises. I could tell you about food, healthy food, so let's put that down. I know a lot about some movies or TV. I could tell you about some movies or TV. Oh, I could tell you about books because I love to read. I can tell you lots of things about books. What else could I tell you? I know a lot about baseball, so I could tell you about baseball. You could do other sports. Maybe you know a lot about football or cheerleading or basketball. I know a lot about the seasons, so I could talk about winter, spring, summer, fall. Some other things. I know probably not as much as Harrison knows, but I know some things about space and planets and stars. So I could write about that. Maybe you know a lot about the iPad. Let's put that down because I know a lot of you know about tablets and iPads and iPhones. You could probably write about that. Oh, I know some things about flowers. Maybe not as much as I would like to know, but I could tell you some things about flowers. Those are things. All right, so I've got a pretty good list here. So these are some of the things I know stuff about, that I know true facts about, that I could write about. So today, for your writer's workshop, I want you to think about 3 things you know a lot about. It could be some things that are the same as mine or some things that are different. All right, so think of 3 things that you know a lot about, true things that you know a lot about. And you're going to fill out your thought bubble map just like I did with 3 things. You can write it or type it. Then you're going to send it to me so I can see what we could add to our thought bubble. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow for informational writing about animals.